Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good
Night, but
morning.
like when you watch it overnight, doesn't it make you kind of like want to trade it sometimes? Like,
Yeah, I do take little
it's such a
trades to like feel out the market sometimes, but I don't never like overnight. I never like risk. I'll just do like if I have a like a big account, I'll do like $1 or something like that, just to
like
feel.
one contract.
Yeah, like one contract because I want to feel the way. So it's kind of crazy, but you got to feel the way the candles are moving sometimes. You just got to feel it, you know. But yeah, we're about to break this down over here. We're about to break this down today. So I know that yesterday was kind of funky, which is not a problem. I was okay with losing. I was okay. And not only that, but yesterday, I wanted just to hop on just so people can get a feel of how it is to stream and just watch. So, and remember the whole goal is to practice the way that I enter, right? Little by little, you guys, whoever has not, to get Trading View and then do paper trades, which Trading View allows that. Trading View allows you to do paper trades. And that's what I'm gonna be talking about Wednesday night anyways when I go on live, you know. But yeah. So I'm gonna give it like one more minute because somebody else told me that they log it in. They want me to wait, so I'm gonna give it like 1 minute and a half, and then I'm gonna do a market breakdown.
It's just looking like a no man's land.
Mm-hmm.
It's just not like there's like not much.
Yeah, exactly. We're just making.
We're getting to the weekly high level of 22,400. Like once, I mean, it's probably gonna touch that.
You know, it's crazy because like the market is moving like making like higher highs, but as I've been watching the way that the candles are printing, like during the day,
They're
it's
weak.
yeah, they're very weak, exactly. So
They're making soft.
yeah, yeah, every like it's just you could just tell like the way that it's moving that it's very, very, very weak. So that right there just tells me that it's kind of like forcing its way up. You know what I'm saying? It's forcing its way up. So this is what I seen. We're gonna go from yesterday really quickly. Yesterday, I was watching yeah, I was watching this area here. And this area here, before this guy entered, was kind of like an orb. It was kind of like a range, and I can draw it out for you guys. And when this happens, that means that there is a lot of trapped buyers and sellers. All right, no problem. What gave me the clue that today might be a buying frenzy? Well, best of my analogy is this. It came all the way down very strong. Then it came up over here and did a lower high. The sellers thought that they had power to push it down, and the buyer said, nope, never mind. And it came right back in this area, right back in. So to me, I highlighted it, and to me, this area is very important. Very important. That's clue number one. Clue number two is that overnight, as we're sleeping, 1 a.m. in the morning, this guy comes in and prints and then starts coming down. Right then and there, I'm like, wow, where is this price going? Because that's what you want to know. You always want to know, where is the price going? I mean, why would you want to invest your money into a trade if you don't know where the price is going? So let's take a look. Here we go. That's where price is going. Price is heading all the way up here. We don't know if it's going to do it today, but it looks pretty powerful to me based on what I seen last night. So we never know. This is the next high right here. Well, this is the overall high, but the next high, the closest high is this one. So when I see that, it gives me preparation vibes. Like, all right, well, the market has been going up the whole night, and you know what that means for you guys who are experienced. Um, for you guys who are experienced, you know that when the market goes high all night, what does that mean? Kind of. Anybody know?
It's going like down if it breaks structure or not, it'll still keep going up.
Exactly. Exactly that. Somehow it might go down. I don't know if it's going to go down the whole session, but I do know that it has the possibility of showing us like, hey, I'm going to go down because I've been pumping the whole night. Like, give us something crazy like this, and then, we'll probably enter over here. So that's my observation.
I,
Yeah,
I
go.
agree
Yeah,
100%.
we kind of always kind of
Remember,
agree. We kind of always agree.
today, we're like, it's already swept yesterday's daily high.
Hmm.
That's one. It's already at all time highs. That's number two. And all we really need to see is a change in the state of delivery on the way down. And bro, I see this thing with so much potential of tanking, like
Hmm.
so many points of tanking. So that, like, bro, like, imagine this thing goes down to 21,400. That's like an 800 point move, bro.
Hmm. Hmm.
You know, it might happen. Probably won't happen today, but I'm saying in the next week, bro, that'd be great. If we're like on a bearish sell scheme the whole time.
Hmm. Yep. So pretty much this is the reason why I say that you guys like, for those of you who have not learned how to trade, don't rush yourself, but you know, practice. Remember I have a video that is Prepare to Trade with Danny. Is literally a video that shows you how to use TradingView. I did it. It's like 10 minutes long. It's in the other channel. It's called Prepare to Trade with Danny. So therefore you guys do paper trade and then you kind of like start learning how to read and follow me, you know? I mean, so once you know the direction of the market, which now, mind you, we're not going to count yesterday. Yesterday was really no volume. Like it really wasn't. But we're going to see today how it reacts. So I'm probably going to go in, when I do enter, like with like $3 on my prop firm account, pretty much. Just because I want to. Oh, another thing. So yesterday, somebody also sent me a message and they were like, "Hey, should I get a prop firm account?" No, don't do it yet. Because what's gonna happen is if you're not experienced, you're gonna blow the account and then you're gonna go back and then you're gonna get into that habit of, oh, I need to buy another one. No, no, just practice first. Practice first for 2 to 3 weeks.
That's literally what they want.
Yes, that's literally what
They
they
want
want.
they literally want you to do that.
Yes. And I'm telling you guys, what I already went through, you guys don't have to go through it, which is the reason why I'm always real with you guys because to get to the level I'm at now, I had to invest so much, in my intuition and losses so much throughout the years. So I'm trying to save you guys money by not having you guys not make the mistake. So of course, education is what is you guys doing this, you guys, understanding what I'm talking about and taking the time to educate yourselves because you know, again, I said it yesterday. This thing is easily learned. You can learn the charts pretty fast. What's gonna be what's gonna be the hard part is gonna be the psychology. When you're done and you learned all this, the psychology is next, right? So that's what it
It's the
is.
hardest part.
That's the hardest part. Correct.
And
So.
how and like we still fight it every single day. Like, we're still
Mm-hmm.
fighting the psychology.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's
Mm-hmm.
like we know charts. I know charts. It's like we lose because of psychology every single time.
Pretty much.
Every time.
So I'm gonna make a plan A and I'm gonna make two plan A's. Plan A's, A plus setups are usually my setups that I think that are strong. And then when I make a plan B, it means that that setup is not that strong, that is not trustworthy, right? So my plan A's are this one, it comes back down and I take a buy. You don't know how deep is the retrace. The retrace could be here, but I'll take a buy here because it's coming back in this important zone. Or it comes over here. The 1 minute comes up. It does like a little retest, gives me a sign to come in, and boom. Literally what happened yesterday. Only thing is today, I decided to give my move space to breathe. So yesterday, the mistake that was made was that when I entered on that Alex caught it, not this Alex that's talking, the other Alex. He just logged in now, I think. Yeah, no. The other Alex caught it. He just started with me like 4 weeks ago. He seen what I seen. He got in. He gave his move space to breathe, and he made $60 out of like 200 bucks account. Right. What I did is I took the same exact trade. I wasn't trusting the volume, and I put my stop loss to break even right away. And it did like a hiccup. It reversed, and then it kicked me out, and it continued down. And then I got lost in the sauce after that. So, which is cool. Whatever. Throughout the day, I lost a little bit, no problem. So today, if I do enter, I'm gonna give it space, and the space that I'm gonna give it, and this is me preparing to enter after 9:30. So here we go. If price breaks here, this is a beautiful uh stop loss too. By the way, even for those of you who have a small account, because if you enter here, look, you're only gonna lose 20 bucks. Not bad. But if this move goes where we think is gonna go, you know, you'll make a good $35. Remember, these are people who have small accounts, you know, small live accounts to practice. That's pretty much the plan. Do I trust the move? Not really. Let's check it out. Why? Remember yesterday what I said? A channel. What does that mean? When this happens, same thing as yesterday. Boom. You know? Now, a question that some people might have is, well, Danny, if it does a channel, why don't you enter here when it breaks this channel? I could. I could. I guess that would be like up to me. But for those of you who have like a little account of like $200, you can't really do that because sometimes it'll do a fake out like here. See? It'll break out, come back all the way here, or it'll do this, and then it'll come back up. So you always want to like when you have a small account and you're building, you always want to make sure that your entries are as accurate as possible. No entry is going to be 100% accurate, but if I was to choose and I was to say my entry is going to be, I'm 80% sure of my entry. That's better than doing like a 45 or 50%, sure of your entry. I would always want to keep mine at 80% because you're never going to be 100% right. So what is 80%? 80% would be like right here when it breaks through here. Because Price has told me, hey, Danny, I broke through here, so I think I'm going up. So if Price talks to you, you just got to follow it. Pretty much. Pretty much. And a reminder, guys, Wednesday night, I believe I'm going to be doing the teach you how to trade tips. So for you guys who want to learn on how I see the market more and you can ask me questions, I'll be doing it live completely for free just to educate you guys on how to do it. So yeah, if something else changes, I'll text you and be like, "Oh guys, it'll be Thursday," but most likely it's going to be Wednesday night. Like I don't know, Wednesday possibly like around like 8:30 to 9:30, you know? Cuz I know 7 p.m. people come back from work like at 5, they shower, then they eat. I'm just trying to be courteous here. So, channel looking like is breaking and we got 15 minutes for the market to open. So let's keep on building our analysis, right?
They also see that Tokyo and London time.
Let's see. Yeah, you're right.
Once it's closed, it wants to sleep.
Or it's actually probably testing. I mean, it's probably forming a little range. Like if you really think about the big picture, there is kind of a range right here, like high low here. You know, we're gonna find out in this session if it's gonna be a range. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Remember, if you guys got questions, do the push to talk. If you guys got questions, please. I wanna answer as much questions as I can. Before we hop on. So we got Plan A, another Plan A. Uh, my a B plus setup, which sometimes the B plus setups be coming through. Sometimes, sometimes the B plus setups be coming through. Let's see where we can find a B plus setup. Okay,
I also think that they should distribute tomorrow. Not really,
that what?
what I'm saying. So, and maybe it distributes on Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Like Wednesday is every single week.
So a tip for you guys who don't know how to read market structure a little bit. Let me teach you something real quickly. Remember this. This is important. When you see this, one, two, three, four, five. When you see these sticks, or you call them wicks, when you see this right here, these wicks, this, that, do you know what that means? This is candlestick anatomy. When you see that happening, that means the buyers are getting weak. That means that the sellers are pushing down, creating pressure, and then the buyers are pushing up and saying, "Nah, man, we really want to go up." So this is an indication or a clue of me saying the price might go down temporarily. Temporarily. All right. So that's clue number one. So if you guys got your notes in your phone or your iPhone, just put that in the notes. Ooh, you know, it means exhaustion, to put it pretty simple. So right now, the buyers look exhausted. Now, when you see a reverse, like up like this, a lot of these, that means that the sellers are exhausted, which means the reason why I told you guys that we might be entering a small range. I don't know. But in order for me to make an entry, I need to see it clear, clear. And it's cool that I record the lives because you guys been seeing that, which is good to be real, because a lot of the traders that you're gonna see online, they're gonna make themselves seem like they never lose, which is the biggest lie in the world. They probably freaking really lose and they don't. So I like to record my lives to show, my losses. And then when I lose, I usually explain the reason why, I usually explain the error and then I win. And then sometimes we'll have 3 or 4 winning days in a row. And then we know not to repeat, you know, whatever. Like I said yesterday, I gave my stop loss. I didn't give it room to breathe, and it kicked me out. I would have been a one hitter quitter. That move would have been just like Alex did yesterday. I would have just took it and called it a day, and it would have been easy. But I didn't give my move room to breathe. When you do an entry, at least for like the first couple of minutes, so you can collect data. You want to make sure that you give your move room to breathe, which means that the red part here, this red part, is my stop loss. Is how much I'm willing to lose. So if I have a $200 account and I tell myself I only want to lose 20, look at it right here, the number, see right here. And this is, you guys can do this too. This is just a long position and short position. Long as in buy and short as in sell. So this is a long position that I'm doing. It's like a ruler and it indicates to me how much I'm willing to lose. It is an indicator. It just tells me, oh, Danny, you're willing to lose $20. So I can see it with my eyes and I don't get surprised when I lose that $20. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, it's happening what I explained. The channel has been broken. We're going to see how deep it's going to retrace. So far, the analysis is looking A1. Now, again, I could have entered here but the market is not open, number one. And number two, you always want to save your psychology. When you enter a trade or when you prepare to enter a trade, you want to make sure that you're ready for it. You know what I'm saying? And so, I just did it. It's not market open. There's a lot of fake outs. So I'd rather just wait for volume. Volume, which is speed when it comes to trading, is your friend. Volume is your friend. If you have volume, that means that you can make a lot of money, and that means that it's gonna push your move. So if you're trading when there's no volume, it might do what happened yesterday. A lot of hiccups, a lot of this and a lot of that, just a lot of hesitance. But when you're trading with volume, is on your side. Now you are more confident because when you press that buy or sell button, if it hits you, if you do it in the right direction because your analysis was good, that shit is gonna fly, and you're gonna be able to make money. Which the lives that I recorded on the 7th, on the 10th, on the 12th, on the 13th, those were all winning days, and you can tell that volume was in my side. Again, if you guys have questions, you guys could either hit me up through WhatsApp, because I know a couple of people I met there. Nice to meet you guys. Or you can hit me up through the chat over here. Yeah. Shout out to my boy SK. I know he's quiet, but he's there. And Ray and Nikki, Derek, Germs. I haven't seen Tibor for a long time. Thank you for joining in and gaining knowledge. Alex and everybody. Couple of you guys are new here, so don't worry. I'll get to know you guys. I try to really actually get to know as much people as possible, because I want to make this personable. I always been that way, anyways. When I had my business, I always been a personable person. I like to get to know people. It's better that way. So yeah. Ugh. We got 5 minutes, and then we're gonna see the direction of this guy. Yeah, man. But but we have.
There we go. They bring market already.
Well, that's the teaser.
How people putting slow? How many people putting slow right now?
A lot of people put in sell early.
Wow.
So, mm-hmm.
Yeah, they can trigger friendly.
In 30
They can
minutes,
do it. And so,
in 30 minutes, the 4 hour candle is going to close. 4 hour, if the 4 hour candle closes bullish, we automatically have
hey,
a probably like a bullish indication. But so it broke.
also that means in this 4 hour in these 34 minutes, and that shit flips bearish, bro. That shit's gonna tank all day.
Mm-hmm. Well, look what happened. I drew this channel with you guys in the beginning of the chat, and it reached exactly there.
Yeah.
That's funny. Yeah. Market
You know,
anatomy.
they got out of that channel, it's probably gonna go straight back up.
So remember the plan that I have. Okay. So now I think my plan B, this is gonna be a tough one, but this is gonna be a tough one. My plan B would be, but we have to watch this carefully because it's a risky move. Another buy here. That's a plan B move, so I'm gonna color it orange to remind me to risk low. The only authentic sell that I would see myself taking, because remember, this is all buyer's territory. The only authentic sell that I would see myself taking, and it's gonna be a short sell. Because look where we at. I'm trying to explain to you guys everything here. Look at this channel here. One, two, three. See that? Price, this price might come all the way down here, bounce, 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 and then we decide if we should take a buy again because it's building momentum. See? One, build momentum, down. Tap again to this channel, up. Tap again to this channel, momentum. Look at that. It's already doing it. Crazy. Whoa.
Bitch, bro. Market. Fucker.
Whoa. What the freak?
Why wait?
It's hitting that channel. I'm not gonna press. Yeah, I'm not gonna press sell now, but mind you guys, this might be a good indication if the market opens for me to try a buy, but we'll see. Oh, never mind. It's gonna go to my other plan A. Here we go. Right here. This is where it's heading. And my damn, damn. It's sweeping. Yeah, it's sweeping. It's sweeping. It's sweeping. It's sweeping. What a beautiful sweep. So this is what I'm gonna do because my account can handle it. On market open, I might take a buy here, and I might be okay with the retrace coming down here. I might be okay with
Okay.
it. Oh, it flipped.
With the flow. Yeah.
Yeah, it flipped. It flipped.
Okay.
Yeah, it flipped. But but
All right now.
but remember, now everybody's pressing sell now. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Everybody and their
So
mothers, everybody,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. But we're still in the we're if you look at the 4 hour, we're still in the higher low. See, we're only creating a higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Come over here, come over here, and then we'll probably get a little retrace or whatever. Because remember, we're still in buyer's territory. Here we
And
go.
this, yeah. So the, you know,
9:30 is about to hit.
watch that be a move. It'll be.
Nah, don't jinx us. Crazy.
Uh,
You're scaring me, bro. Chew. It's going to my plan. It's going to my plan A over here. So we will see. Um,
yeah.
here we go. Here we go. So, okay. So we in buyer's territory right now. As soon as I see my signal to enter a buy, I'm gonna enter a buy. But I have to be aware that I have to be aware by watching volume that um the sell pressure is rough. The sell pressure is rough. So wow, look at that. Sell pressure is rough. These 1 minute candles are dangerous. Uh-huh. Let's see where we at. Oh, a lot of high volume now. So if you the entries over here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. So it's hitting my rules. Look, it came here as a sweep. I have to obey. If my rule said, Danny, you got to enter because we're in buyer's territory, then I'm gonna enter. So I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna enter over here, and my stop loss. I'm gonna have to wait until it flips green, of course, but my stop loss would be below like 22 30 22 232, but I have to wait until I see something that gives me a clue of a reverse. Something that gives me a clue of a reverse. If it doesn't give me a clue, then I'm gonna wait till price to settle because this is just crazy impulse. So this is not, yeah, this is not sell to me. A real sell A real sell would be like the break of this right here, you know? So
And
we will
follow
see.
big
All right.
one
Yeah, exactly. I need to see an engulfing or something. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's hitting my territory. Just needs to give me more assurance. More assurance. I need to feel sure. Nothing is ever sure, but it is in my territory, right? So it is in my buying territory. All right, here we go. I'm taking a chance of a buy, and my stop loss is going to be below the current candle, and I'm going very low because of the pressure. Very, very low.
handle their fat, right?
Yeah, they're fat. Exactly.
We probably go 20.25 points each.
This is an important zone, which is the reason why I actually took a buy there. So let's see if it behaves. So what's going to happen is if I feel sure about the move, I'm going to stack. Right now, I'm not going to stack because it's too early. But if I feel sure about the move, then I'm going to stack. Where are you going to stack, Danny? I'm going to stack above here. Above here.
Yeah.
Why are you going to stack there, Danny? Because this is the old channel. This channel might turn new again. So, you know, what a beautiful sweep. How many sellers you think hopped in here, though? No? A lot of sellers hopped in.
And
So let's see now. Let's see what happens. I have to monitor this, right? Because I can't rest right now. I can't really say to myself, "Oh,
how about support? Like 240, right? 242.
my stop loss."
Yeah, sometimes it's like 224.
Yeah, my stop loss is right here. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna push it a little bit more up, though. I mean, I'm only risking right now out of my account about like $50. So we'll see. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. It might be doing two things. It might be creating a lower high, or it might just be preparing to continue up. We will see. So far, the 15 minute is showing beautiful rejection. hmm
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I want to risk less, I can actually push my stop loss below this candle here and just say, um, I'll just risk less just in case, you know? So let's see what happens. So we got rejection. It bounced back. It bounced. So what's gonna happen is that if this area breaks, if this area breaks, this one, I might stack, but for now, I'm just chilling. I'm not even worried because I didn't even risk a lot. You know what I'm saying? All I'm doing right now is collecting data. But I'm also, collecting some profits, but I'm collecting data. I'm trying to see the way that things are going on right now. So I can know how to act. So I can feel confident in my entries. Let's see how the 15 minute is looking right now.
So,
Yep. So the 15 minute. So I put my stop loss below the current 15-minute candle. Um, and just we'll leave it there. But it is in the area of interest, as you can see, where I said that I will enter. So we will see if what's gonna happen. Let's see the 30-minute candle. Okay, the 30-minute candle. And hmm, let's see the 1 hour. Mm-hmm. The 1 hour came over here, broke this equal high. Okay. Looks like it wants to continue down.
So
You say you're gonna sell?
I got no insights. I'm up.
Double bottom with the 1 minute. Hmm. Seems like the 1 minute has entered a slight range a little bit, like kind of like fighting. Like, hey, I don't want to go down. I do want to go down. I kind of don't. I kind of do want to go down. I kind of don't. So I'm gonna just leave it here. There's no reason for me to get out yet until it breaks this low. The only thing is that if it does break this low with pressure, which it might happen, um, I might, I might even take a sell if it does break this here because it will confirm to me that it wants to continue down. Let's take a look. Hmm.
If it breaks what candle?
If it breaks 22.22475, I might take a sell. 22.224.75 because it's gonna kind of like indicate to me like hey, like I really want to
Yeah,
I really
like
want to go down, you know? So I gotta
yeah,
follow. Yeah, I gotta follow market structure. Like I can't be, thinking about just one, you know, one one solution. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah.
um
The trade is just gonna keep going down, right? Unless it closes above a high.
yeah, but yeah, um but I do need to be careful because that sell will be a fast sell. Like I keep telling you guys, this is buyer's territory. Buyer's territory is aggressive, which means that sellers will come out of nowhere and say, drop down like it just did, and then buyers will come out of nowhere and sweep, so it is still buyer's territory. I just gotta keep watching price. All right, so here, all right, now I'm gonna draw a little orb to collect some data. Force field right here. Oops. So we're in a box right now, and this box needs to decide its fate.
This fucking thing, dogs.
Like Mortal Kombat, choose your destiny.
Oh, this is so good. Anyways, I hate going to these boxing rooms.
Mm-hmm.
You, your day is going like straight into some shit, and then it boxes you. Just boxes you.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And everything.
It's a lot of wicks happening though. If you look at the 5 minute, there's two 5 minute wicks that were created. The candles are getting smaller. So I don't know. We might be stuck
But
in the
then the foundation
yes,
breaks.
yes, 100%. Yeah, this consolidation. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. but I won't take any other buy. Like remember I told you guys that I may just stack. I won't take any other stacking moves until it breaks that orange line because I just don't feel confident, you know? I just don't feel confident right now. So,
I'm still in that shit.
but like I said, if this mofo comes breaking over here, it might be either a quick sell, that you prepare for a quick sell, boop, like a quick sell here, and then it might come down and either keep on going. What?
God damn.
You were mad loud, Mike. What the hell was that?
You know, yeah, not that, guys. That was my mic. It came off and shit. My bad. Hey, guys, I feel like experience too. Two every day, man.
Ain't nothing happening, huh, guys? Look at this. Oh.
Oh, here we go.
Okay. I'm gonna take out some risk because that candle's looking stupid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out some risk and then I'm gonna adjust my entry accordingly. So we'll see. This is the patience you have to go through, guys, when it comes to trading. This is what they don't tell you. You have to wait. Sometimes you have to wait. Oh, oh shit. Oh, oh. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Was it a flip or is it going to be a continuation? If it's a continuation, I'm gonna do a sell stop below this candle. Oh, below this candle, sell stop here, and then I'll take that sell. Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna follow price. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's see where else is going. What territory is going to? Oh, it's going to a rejection territory, but we don't know if it's gonna break that.
Break it and go right through it. Oh, yeah.
Nice, 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 nice,
Oh, yeah.
nice, nice. Stop
That
loss,
was
stop
lucky, yeah.
loss. I'm gonna do stop loss break even. I'm gonna do stop loss
That
break
is what we
even.
do.
I already took some. I already took some. Buy stop here to protect the rest, and that's it. Boom.
Boom. Up 100.
Yeah.
Got out of that bitch.
Yeah.
Got out of that bitch.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You know how this story goes. Got out of that bitch.
Was anybody in this trade besides me and Alex? Nice.
Bro, the hit. Oh man, she was more than four.
Nice. Woohoo. Let it.
But I call it paper trade, but I did catch it though.
It's all right, bro. ¿Me entiende? Wow. I think I'm gonna just get out over here. I'm not gonna think about what I'm gonna get next. I'm
Yeah,
gonna just think about what
we're
made me feel good. A win is a win.
yeah.
A win is a win. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So that was a clean move. A little over 100 bucks. Um, so this is an area right here that's a little bit dangerous. That's why I got out as well. But we never know. It might just come out of nowhere and keep going down. We don't know. But remember in the beginning of the session, live stream, I said what? I said when it goes up, we're waiting for it to go down. So that's what we did. I created my plan A. I created a plan B, which it worked out. No, this was a buy. Sorry, buy. I had all buys in mind, but I didn't stick to that conclusion, right? I seen that when I first was talking to you guys in the beginning, this channel broke. Remember this channel that I drew out for you guys here? I drew this channel. I could have got excited and said, well, I'm going to enter here. But look, this was pre-market open. It has happened to me many times in my life that I would enter here and that thing would turn around and take me out. You always want to wait until market opens. Just wait. Don't jump to conclusions. I also was here. I also was here. And I seen this consolidating. I was unsure, right? And I took out some of my risk because I seen that this thing was building. This bearish candle came out of nowhere. I said, nah, never mind. So that's another thing that I did to control my losses. And these are things that you have to do, guys, because I don't know, at the end of the day, dudes, you got to protect your money, man. You really, 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 really do. Got to protect your money. Got to protect your money. So, yeah. Do you guys have questions? I got done a little bit early. I don't want to catch another move. What's up? Oh yeah. Of course. We called the tank. We said it's in a tank.
But like I feel like when we're both like us two, when we're both like in sync with the market, bro, that shit goes down.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Technically, that shit's gonna do technically watch.
Yeah, it's gonna keep tanking. Now that I see this happening because it broke this important area. This area was important. That orange one, it was part of
Yeah,
the
exactly.
oh
Look at the
man.
day,
Let's take a look. Oh wow.
bro.
Yeah.
I think that shit's gonna like flip and go back up now because it's a hammer.
Well, the daily did a whole freaking flip. A whole flip.
If you're looking at the 4 hour, it's in that fair value gap
Yeah.
from last week, Valentine's Day. So it's gonna touch this fair value gap, and then it's
Mm-hmm.
gonna go back up, hit the daily higher.
We did good though, guys. Did good. Good.
Yeah,
Analyzed the market good, was patient, didn't
we went,
over,
we went like
didn't,
five.
yep, I didn't put my eggs in one basket, which means I didn't risk a lot at my important areas, which was this one that I said that I was gonna do a buy-in. Um, you know, nice.
Went up now.
Yeah, temporarily, but we don't know if it's gonna be like a retrace or something. But this 50% is 50% of the previous daily, so it already broke the previous. So to me, it's probably gonna come up over here and retest and then come back down. That's crazy. Let's see how the 4 hour is gonna close. Ooh, if the 4 hour closes below here, oh wow, that'll be crazy. So we gotta watch. At 7 minutes, the 4 hour closes. If the 4 hour closes below there, is a continuation down right here. I'm gonna highlight that. I'm gonna put it purple because it's pretty important right now. It's pretty important right now. So we caught a nice smooth move down. We explained everything in the beginning of the stream what we were seeing. Those plans didn't work, but because my conclusion was not fixated on one thing, I decided to take a sell because I seen that it was showing me a sell. Nothing you can do. If the market is talking to you, you take it. This channel was important earlier. It's not important no more. This one right here. So this is canceled. Actually, I'm gonna even leave it there just in case. Just in case it decides midday to come up, you know? Bam. That's a statement. Broke this low here, came up. The 4 hours looking like it wants to close above the purple. Oh wow. Imagine that. Imagine that. So I'm gonna be on for another 15 minutes in case you guys got questions. Usually, if I catch my move, I don't like being in the market staring at it because then it tempts you to enter again. Look at this, it's about to flip the 15 minute. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's one of,
Mm-hmm.
and it was the last where the highway was this one. Yeah, Danny, I'm gonna be out. You heard?
All right, bro. Have a great day. So remember on Wednesday night, I'm gonna be doing a teach me how to trade. So if you guys I'll let you guys know and I'll be like, hey, I'm live, so we can talk about market and give you some free education for you of who are listening. Um and today was a winner chicken dinner, Yesterday was President's Day, so of course that was a small loss, but today was a winner chicken dinner. I think it's better when I don't drink coffee. What a nice drop though, huh? I would have caught it all the way up here. Would have been beautiful. If I would have caught it right up there. Bing. But it was before market open. I didn't want to take that chance. So yeah, the guys, this is what it is to trade. For those of you who are new, it's all about just practicing. Like you said, like you heard Jeremy, he said that he didn't want to use his real account today. He just wanted to paper trade just because he wanted to feel confident again. And paper trading is provided by the Trading View. Now, I don't work with these people at all. This is just the platform that everybody uses, like every trader, Trading View. So get it. It's $20 a month and it gives you access you know, um to make believe that you have real money in the account so you can actually trade. You know what I'm saying? Paper trading. That's what it's called, pretty much. And then I have a video for that shows you. It's called Prepare to Trade with Danny. So look at that videos in that channel. The channel is called Prepare to Trade with Danny. And then look at that video. It's 10 minutes. It tells you how to use TradingView and also the Tradeovate that I use too. Yeah. Looks like a huge rejection. Wow. It may go up. It may just have done a, yeah, it may.
I'm catching the move on the way down, catching the move on the way up.
Oh, nice. Using your real account?
Yeah,
Nice.
I don't think it's.
I think the only way like a buy would be make sense to me if it breaks this right here. If it comes right back to
So wrong.
this area
So
right,
wrong.
right here. Boom. Like it'll be right here. Re-entry. Boom. So yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. So it might continue down, we'll see, or it might continue up. A continuation up will be the break of these highs right here, these little highs, my opinion. Or it just might consolidate the whole day. Who knows? Who knows? So we caught a nice, beautiful drop. I explained everything in the live session in the beginning, so you guys could look over it later. Was that what I was seeing? But, but it didn't work out as planned, which is okay. And then I adapted. I took a sell, which was not part of my plan, and I adapted. My mind was open to receive any surprises, and we finished the day profitable. Thank God. I hope it's always like this. Always like this. And then when we lose a little bit. That's the goal. That's the goal. Do 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 do.